Scientists divide the rainforest into different layers, or strata, based on the living environment. The uppermost layer of the rainforest is the canopy. In the canopy, there are many different arboreal mammals, insects, reptiles, and birds that can be found living amongst the leaves. Now, intense competition amongst the tall canopy trees has promoted the growth of long, slender, branchless trunks and then very large, flat, leafy crowns, so that these trees can maximize the amount of sunlight that they get. In fact, the uppermost levels of the canopy are so dense that sometimes torrential rainfall in the tropics may not reach the ground of the forest for up to 10 minutes. The next layer down is called the understory. This is an area below the leaves but above the ground. In fact, only about 10% of the total amount of sunlight reaches through the thick canopy into the understory. The lowest layer of the rainforest is called the ground layer. Now, on the ground of the rainforest, the largest mammals can be found, such as the jaguar and the tapir. There are also numerous insects to be found in the ground of the rainforest.